Hi, I'm at Dulles International Airport near Washington, D.C. in the U.S. I thought I'd record for a moment about personal financial management and ledger systems. I've realized recently that many of the problems of reconciliation between our personal financial management systems, whether they're corporate financial management like the general ledger accounting system or our personal ones where we use small programs to keep track of all of our finances, many of the reconciliation issues that end up between them and the transactional or balance systems maintained by our banks and our investment companies or otherwise, many of those problems are because we're recording transactions after the fact. We record those after the fact instead of recording them when we make the transaction. If we simply reversed the flow here, where we first recorded what the attributes are of the personal financial management system. What is the category involved, or why is the system, or why are we making this transaction? And then we engaged in actually doing the transaction. It would reduce the amount of reconciliation, the number of errors we would find in those systems, because the data involved would be recorded accurately at the time that the system is recorded. So if we just simply do that process of recording them at the time of the system and seeing when the system was recorded, that the ledger balances were involved and were correct, it would substantially reduce the number of errors, the number of reconciliation issues. It would substantially increase the amount of accuracy of the recorded information. That idea of flipping, instead of making it post-transaction, make it pre-transaction, I think would have a substantial impact upon the accuracy of financial reporting.